Imagine the savings you would achieve by cutting machine cooling installation time by up to 45%. Customers often ask what the best way of controlling multiple cooling channels on their temperature control equipment is. We commonly receive questions such as, how do I guarantee enough fluid is getting to each of my tools? And most crucially, what is the most cost-effective solution? SMC's range of PF3W manifolds makes cooling fluid management a breeze. Our customer in the robotics industry saved around 50% in footprint when compared to installing individual components alone. Also, the inclusion of integrated control elements, such as the manual stop and flow adjustment valve, afforded them the ability to fine-tune and optimize each channel for peak performance. By having the necessary technology to monitor and control the individual cooling channels directly mounted on the manifold, the overall number of components to install is reduced. This saves hours in labour and, more importantly, results in tangible cost savings. The added value of reduced connections when compared to individual components and fittings is reduced potential leak points and improved efficiency. PF3W manifolds have options to handle fluids from 0 to 90 degrees Celsius and compatibility with ethylene glycol aqueous solution. SMC has over 4 decades of experience in advanced temperature control solutions. Contact me directly to understand how you can achieve similar savings. Follow us on LinkedIn for the latest automation updates.